Welcome sa Mavs. May new arrival tayo from WE. So guys, CT25 with markings. Ganda oh. So color silver, then ito yung color black. So dalawang kulay available sa Mavs Hobby Shop. And parehas yan may markings. Ito bossing, ang ganda oh. May markings na CT25. Yung iba wala eh.
Pellet yan ah.
Ano to? GBB. Ganda no ano? Silver no? Ayan guys, so abangan nyo yan. Ipopost ko yan by tomorrow. Ano to ha? GBB. Limited stocks lang.